So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Microsoft stock, ticker symbol MSFT in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple app, go into your trading account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, go to the top to where it says search name, symbol, and service in the discover bar. Pressing this right there. Now simply to search up MFST. Ticker symbol MFST. This of course is actually not available. So if you wanted to go Microsoft, simply search up Microsoft. You can just search up Microsoft right here and do right there. There you go. You can actually search up MSFT right there. I'm not sure why it didn't come up before, but there's Microsoft here and Microsoft right here, MSFT. We're just gonna go ahead and press Microsoft Corporation right here. Now, as you can tell, it is trading for $338.15, but regardless, we're just gonna go ahead and press on buy right here at the bottom and then press on stocks. Now in this screen, if you want a fractional buy, you can type in however much you want for a fractional buy, but if you wanna go to market buy or limit buy or stop limit buy, you can select one of those options, but we're just gonna stay on fractional buy. I'll do $3, press on continue. Then to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Microsoft stock, ticker symbol MSFT in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.